What's good, YouTube? I ain't gonna say I'm back. I know it's been a while again, but if I say I'm back, that means that I gotta keep making videos constantly, and I can't promise that because every time I say I'm gonna do that, life gets in the way, and you know how that go. But I'm gonna make a video because I thought about it, and I said, even nobody watched these joints. I got a digital library for my grandkids and my kids to watch. But on the real, I just got inspired again, so I'm gonna make a video. All right. So since the last time I made one, got another bike in the house. Went riding on my Harley, which I love. I love the bike set. Love being in the club. All that's fun. But I kind of missed the sports bike thing. I definitely missed the sports bike thing. So in a minute, I'm gonna show y'all what I purchased. All right, check it out. So since it's another rainy ass day in VA, at least it ain't cold. But anyway, this is what we got now. So y'all remember this one. But I got me a ZX14 2016. Had it about 3 or 4 weeks. What can I say? Fast ass bike. Zipping in and out of traffic, trying not to kill myself. But yeah, I love this, man. So I did a couple upgrades on it since I got it. Got it from All Things Chrome up in Tennessee. They delivered it on a truck. Came with these Yoshi pipes on it, exhaust. I mean, I changed out the y'all already seen my license plate, so I ain't gonna block it out. I changed out the whole tail end and got rid of that ugly ass fender they put on there. What else did I do? Some frame sliders. So far, I definitely put on a battery tender. What else? Some swing arm spools. Let's see if I can show you that. Yeah, there it is right there. Swing arm spools, and other than that, just this ram mount stem thing, which I ain't in love with. It moves around a little bit too much. But today I'm gonna do this gas cap. I'm gonna change it out. I got a new product because my key, for some reason, I don't know if it's because this is a used bike, just gets stuck in here. Take me like a half an hour to get in this damn thing. So I'm getting rid of the key altogether. All right. So we're gonna work on that. I'm gonna film it, and hopefully somebody that's trying to put one of these on to get something from it. All right, give me a second. So I purchased this new gas cap by this company, Driven. It's pretty cool looking. I'm gonna pull it out in a minute. So you have to purchase the cap and the base separate. So one of the for the Cowie, it's about $160, 80 a piece for both. All right. I started loosening these screws, but as you see, this is why I'm changing this bad boy out right now. So I ain't gonna put y'all through the nonsense of me being here for a half an hour. I'm gonna get this thing open and we're gonna proceed. Took me a minute to get this thing out. I mean the key out. I loosened it all up. Takes a 4 mil Allen. So I'm gonna lift this out. You wanna make sure you're careful. I guess you don't wanna drop no dag screw down your gas tank. So I just left them in because I figured it would make it easier. And now you can see it's completely out. So I'm gonna take these screws out ain't throwing away nothing until I'm done. Take these screws out. Up. Damn, I got the dropsies. And I guess I'll hold on to this. Now I watched another YouTube video because now I gotta figure, oh, it came right out. Because he was showing that a lot of times the key gets stuck in here, and what you gotta do is, because when it's locked, I guess it goes into the plastic and it'll open. So to get your key out of here, you gotta squeeze these strings in. So I'm not putting this key back in because it took me 30 minutes to get the damn thing in there in the first place. All right, so this is a dead dog. We're gonna get rid of this one for now. All right, let me open this pack and I'll get right back with y'all. All right, it looks pretty easy. Says you need obviously this 4mm hex key, some blue Loctite. Throw a little bit on there. It looks like you just put it the way you want it to go. So it's 3 screws, as you can see. See if I can do this in the camera. Hold up, put a little Loctite on each one. Very little. Look, I'm making a mess. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is sit this down. I guess like it looks about right. Nope. Can't tell. So basically I got it in. I'm just going around slowly so I don't scratch my tank, and I'm tightening them all down. Instead of tightening them all at once, just go around and get them tight as you can. Alright, that one's all the way in. As always, you get to the end of the video and your phone start acting out. So anyway, got an iPad. Finished the video. So that's what it looks like. This is the cap. So I'm gonna try to hold it steady. Put the cap in. Let's see. Put the cap in like that. Turn. Push down, turn. It's locked. Get it off. Push in. That's pretty cool. Alright. Back. Push down. Lock. Cleans up the bike a little bit. It's a little nicer looking, I think. Alright. Alright, to the next one. Peace.